Good evening. It's 8 o'clock. I'm Anne-Marie Tiernan along with Robb Ellis, joining you live from the Channel 13 studios at 10th and Meridian downtown. We've got a whole lot of rain or a whole lot of snow, and now we've got really cold temperatures that are moving in. So weather is a big story that we're following.
We're pivoting now. The headline is going to change. It's going to change from the winter storm. It's going to change now to bitter cold. Let me show you some numbers here. These are official numbers from the National Weather Service and from all of the reporting sites. 11.1. That will be the storm total over the course of 2 days of what we've seen from this winter storm. It is the most snow we have seen since 2014, the snowstorm then that happened with the bitter cold that followed it. Bitter cold followed it. Bitter cold is going to follow this one as well. Not uncommon. When you put this amount of snow on the ground, temperatures tend to be much colder after it because the skies are expected to clear. That acts as a little bit of a blanket of white that when the sunshine tries to shine down, it gets all reflected back out into space. So you just aren't able to warm the temperatures up, and right now there doesn't appear to be any warmer air mass that's moving our way. So having said that, now we watch the temperatures fall, and they will fall. Two things here to notice. One, temperature around 10 degrees. We've held there for about 24 to 48 hours or so. Now the temperature will drop, and these winds out of the north and west, one, will help to bring in a little bit of drier air, which will clear the skies and allow the temperatures to fall. We're starting to see more single digits show up on the temperature map. That will be the first indication that the temperatures are starting to plummet. As we clear the skies, that will be more of a temperature drop. And with the winds staying with us overnight and really into Monday and Tuesday, the feels-like temperatures are going to become much more of an issue. I think by tomorrow morning, when Matt and Lindsay are showing you some wind chill numbers, we're going to be looking at numbers that are going to be in the 20 to 25 degree below zero range for feels-like temperatures. Some of you that haven't gotten out to shovel or to snow blow, you may try to do it in the morning because the snow didn't end till about sunset. That's going to be a bit of a concern for you. Frostbite can still occur within about maybe 20, 30 minutes or so when those temperatures are that cold. Wind speeds are still anywhere from 10 to maybe 15 or 20 miles per hour. Again, that's adding to that wind chill. It's also blowing a lot of the snow around, and it's the reason why we have an extreme cold warning that's in place right now. It essentially includes everyone a little farther to the north. It's more of a cold advisory than an extreme cold warning. That's going to give you an idea of where we expect the coldest temperatures, where the snowpack is the most significant. The cloud's going to take some more time to move out, but we are done with the snow. No more snow in our forecast for the short term, at least through tonight and into tomorrow. Once the clouds clear out, it really allows these temperatures to drop. This model may be overdoing it just a little bit, but to be honest, it even gets us down to 10 below in Indy, which is certainly possible, but this is going to be real particular about exactly if those clouds can move out. Will we be able to clear those clouds out that quickly? We'll watch and see. We'll hold it to 4 below, but with this much snow on the ground, it certainly is possible to get much colder. Speaking of much colder, we'll do 7 below for Tuesday morning. Wednesday morning, 10 below. Now, here's a little bit of a change here. Once we get into late Tuesday, Wednesday, the winds may calm down a little bit, but that's actually what's allowing the temperatures to drop. But I don't know that your wind chill will be quite as low because the winds won't be as strong. So it's a little bit of a catch-22. Your temperatures can get a little bit lower, but your wind chill won't be quite as bad. Here's the wind chill that we're expecting through tonight. Once the skies clear and those winds move out, I think we'll see the temperatures, the wind chill temperatures certainly drop down to 15 to 25 below. Depending on how low the temperatures go, we could see even 30 below values. They don't improve much for Monday, and they drop again as we get into Monday night and even into Tuesday morning, where we're again looking at 20 to 25 degrees below zero for wind chills Tuesday morning. Tuesday into the early part of the morning, it may actually improve a little bit as the temperatures try to warm up just a little bit and the winds begin to calm down. Here's your 7-day forecast. I'm going to hold here for a second on this because look at the overnight low temperatures. We've got 7 mornings. Every single morning is below zero on this entire 7-day forecast. The warm days are 19 on Tuesday with at least some sunshine and the 20-degree reading there for Sunday. Very quickly, because I haven't hit this in a while, let me show you power outage numbers from the Deep South, because areas like Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, they have seen a major ice storm warning. Let me break it down by county and by parish, and this is percentage of power outages. There are counties in Mississippi, and many counties, that 80 to 90, almost 95% of the county is without power because of the crippling ice storm that has happened there, and also into parts of Carolinas and Georgia. So that's going to have a trickle-down effect that moves right through Nashville, and of course many of the airports there are going to have some issues. Travel's going to be a concern. If you know anybody that's in that area, they really have a tough road ahead.
Yeah, it's interesting. My son is at Baylor University in Waco, which is, you know, kind of south central Texas. They have snow there, and the kids are just going crazy because they don't normally have that on campus.
Yeah,
so,
deep south.
It's a whole different thing.
A whole different animal.
Yeah, he's been there 3 years. This is the first year they've had snow on campus, so getting all kinds of pictures.
Enjoy that.
Yeah, it's landing a little differently there than it is here.